Hello guys, it's Nick here. I'm coming with another video today. I check a lot of comments online and I find out that that problem which we have with that stabilization sensor or ABS sensor, it's a common problem, and usually it's coming from that brake switch. I haven't checked it with my ODB reader, but if it's something common, it's better to change it. Doesn't cost too much, costs around £20, but we can save a lot of issues to the next customer. So let's do it. So like I mentioned, the sensor is just here on the back. I don't know, can you guys see it? It's just that thing here. You just need to twist it clockwise and pull it out. It's so simple. That's the one. There is a cable which going inside the sensor. Just need to press on one of the sides and pull it out. Obviously it's difficult, so you can use a screwdriver for that. So if you press it, and will come out. So that's the sensor. That's the new one. It's completely the same. Size and functions are the same. So let's put it back on. It will be much easier if I got any help, for example, to press the brake, and that will allow me to do it much easier, but obviously I'm doing it by my own, so it's not impossible. Yeah, it's difficult job for one hand. That's it. It's in place now. We need to plug that cable on, and that's it. That's it. That's the old sensor. It's like a wings here on the side, So it's a hole with space just for the wings. That wings going in and you have to twist it to stay in place. It's not impossible, it's quite a difficult thing. And that's it. Hello guys, today we'll change the oil of that Peugeot Bipper. It's not difficult, it's quite easy job as soon as you have the right tools. I will show you how to do it. Just a few advices before you start. Make sure if you do it on the road, you can't leave any mess at all. You can't split oil on the road and that kind. So be careful. Always put some cover on the bottom and that kind. Obviously, I have experience with that. I done service on my previous cars, and I know how to do it. But just be careful because it's illegal to leave some oil on the road and that kind. So we are under the car. I'll try to show you where is the right thing. It's just here, just that one. Need to untie it. I'll tell you what exactly you have to use for that. Let's do it first. That's it. Oh, it's going. Okay, now it's time to untie the filter, to change the filter. The filter is located just here. That's the one. You can do it like that. You can remove that pipe to do it. It's a bit more easy, but if you have the right tools, that's not really necessary. I will show you how to do it now. Okay, that's the filter. It's look like that. That's the new one. It's nice quality. Don't forget that. It's going just on the place of the old one. It's always nice to use the new one. The old one should be fine, but we will replace it anyway. You can use a small flat screwdriver to remove it. Just be careful, don't damage nothing there. That's the one. That's the new one. That's it. Simple procedure. A bit. It's always nice to use gloves. I don't really like to work with, but obviously better for your hands. Just the new one and press it a bit and we'll go in place. Now I'm going to reinstall that. Screw it back. Don't forget to put something under, just because the timing bell is there. Okay, for the bottom bit, that's the one. We need to reinstall it. There is a small ring. Don't forget to put that back. We're supposed to have in the set new one, but we don't, and that one is in nearly new condition. So like I said, vehicle coming with full service history, and the door has been changed like 3,000 miles ago, so it's nearly new. Okay, let me show you how to reinstall it. Just here. Okay. Tight it a bit. I don't know how many Newton meters need to be. Just tie it nicely, don't go too far. And that's it. Now we okay, for that engine 1.3 we need 3.2 liters with oil. It's 5W30. We're gonna use Shell, which is fully synthetic motor oil. There is a scale here, so it's really easy to work with. When you reinstalling the oil, leave that bit open. The how is that color in the engine oil lever? Leave it open just to leave a space where the air will come out. Use a funnel. Is though. So it's 5 liters altogether. 3 liters it's when we go to that point, to 2 liters. So if there is 2 liters left, we already installed 3. And we'll see how we go, and we'll top it up later. So now we can start the engine just for a few seconds. of course, if we find the keys. So there's the key. Check in. Just a few seconds, and that's it. Now we can check the level. It's probably a bit early to do that, but just in case. So just on the middle. We'll check again, but for now I think that's fine. Install the lid. And we're ready. That we change all of that Peugeot Bipper 2015.